Hello, Uncle Tony. Si Alex to, Alex De Leon from Vancouver, Canada. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ilang taong ka na ba? For sure, masaya ka sa birthday mo at kahit papano nakabati kami sa'yo. Sige, enjoy mo ang masayang kaarawan mo. Si Alex nga pala to. Hopefully natatandaan mo pa ako. Ganun na rin sa pamilya ko, bumabati sila sa'yo. And see you next time. Hopefully. Bye now.
Happy birthday, Uncle Tony. I hope masaya ka and healthy and just enjoy your day, alright? Happy birthday. We love you. Bye.
Uncle Tony, happy birthday! Hello!
Hi everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? Happy birthday sa lahat ng mga may birthday this month. And most especially to Uncle Tony. Happy birthday! Sayang hindi tayo nagkita pero enjoy your day. And to Miss Wowie, happy 50th birthday! Enjoy your day! Punta na tayo sa rooftop. And, sige, ingat kayo lahat. Hindi dancing queen, bye.
2, 3.
Happy birthday, Uncle Tony! Extra! Happy birthday!
Many more.
Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday, Lolo Tony! Happy birthday to you!
Hi everyone, kumusta? Kumusta yung mga celebrant? Congratulations to all of you, especially to the two old gangsters, Uncle Tony and Uncle Andring. And I hope you all have a good time. So.
Hi everybody. Happy birthday po to all the celebrants. Kumusta po kayo lahat?
Miss na namin kayo. We all had a good time when we were there. So, we'll do it again. Sige, sobrahan nyo inom ha, para mag-enjoy kayo. Tsaka, yung mga karaoke dyan, mga singer, si Madel. Walang tigil buong gabi. Bye!
Bye!
Ayan, Uncle Tony. Kilala mo ba ako? Tatanda mo ba ako? Ha? Ring bearer mo? Happy birthday! Maligayang karawan. So hindi tayo nagkita nung umuwi kami. Gusto ko pa naman kita makita. Paborito ko ang uncle. Ha? Uncle Tony? Tatanda mo ba nung maliit ako? Lagi mo akong tinatakot. Tinatakot sa kuwago at sa mga manananggal doon sa Bulacan. Hanggang ngayon takot pa ako doon. So, lagi mo alagaan ang katawan mo, uncle. Ang lakas mo pa nung huli tayo nagkita. Hindi ko alam kung yan taong ka na ba? 80? Grabe, no? Tatandaan ko pa nung tumalit ako. Inabutan mo ako ng galing ka ng Saudi. Inabutan mo akong $20. Tuntua ako. Tapos lagi mo pa akong pinagsisindi ng sigarilyo mo. So, yun. Ikaw talaga paborito kong uncle. Happy birthday ulit. Maligayang kaarawan, uncle. Talaga mo katawan mo, ha. Sana sa susunod ko na uwi, magkita tayo sa Manila, or kung paawa ng Diyos kung makakadalo kami dyan sa'yo. Ha? Happy birthday. Sensya na hindi gagawa sana rin ako ng video kasama yung dalawang anak ko, nasa nasa DC, tsaka yung isa nag-aaral naman sa Rutgers. Eh, tinawagan ko, hindi naman sumagot. So, ako lang ang nakabati sa'yo. Si isa naman yun nanonood ng K-drama. So, happy birthday, Uncle. I love you and mag-enjoy ka sa karawan mo. Sige, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lolo Tony. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Uncle Tony. Look at your grand-granda po. Huh? Happy birthday. Thanks for everything you did to me. I will never forget for the rest of my life. Thank you. Mahal na mahal kita.
You are Papa me again.
Huh?
Papa me again.
I love you, Uncle Tony.
I love you.
Hi, Uncle Tony. Happy birthday. Sayang wala kami dyan to celebrate with you. Enjoy your special day. Be well and safe always. Ingat ka palagi. Okay? Love you!
Happy birthday, Uncle Tony! Anong handa mo?
Happy birthday, Lolo Tony.
Anong handa mo, Uncle Tony? Ingat kayo dyan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Uncle Tony. Si Jojo ito. Saka si Leanne.
Happy birthday, Uncle Tony!
Sana marami ka pang birthday na darating sa'yo.
Yes. Happy 84th, Uncle Tony! Ang galing!
Galing,
Keep it up!
keep it up. You made it.
Yes!
You made it.
Galing!
Okay, tsaka kumusta na lang sa lahat dyan? Kay Wawi, kay Cheche, at sa lahat, sa iba pa.
God bless you, Uncle Tony!
Yeah, Uncle Tony. Happy birthday again.
Sana all, 84.
And God bless.
God bless you.
Yeah, okay.
Happy birthday, Lolo Tony!
Ilan taon ka na, Lolo Tony?
Ay, kinolo ka.
Happy birthday, Uncle Tony.
Happy birthday!
We missed you nung reunion and we continue to miss you. Stay healthy. Manunood ka pa ng tournament ni Bianca, ha? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Uncle Tony!
Happy birthday, Lolo Tony!
Happy birthday,
Uncle Tony! Stay healthy. Ingat kayo. Bye-bye.
We love you.
Love you. Bye.
Hello, Lolo Tony. Just want to say happy birthday. This is Raleigh's son, Josh, the middle child. I just want to say thank you for everything you've done for my dad, and I hope you have a good one. Best wishes, and we love you.
Hi, Lolo Tony. This is Neil. I'm Raleigh's son. Happy birthday. Just wanted to thank you for all the things that you've done for my dad when he was younger. He speaks very highly of you. Wish you nothing but the best. Hope you have a happy birthday. Bye.
Hey, Lolo Tony. This is Paolo, Raleigh's youngest son. And I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Hope all is well. Wish you all the best. And my dad was telling me stories about all the things you did for him. And I just wanted to thank you for, always looking out for him and helping him be who he is today. So happy birthday. Hope everything is well with you and hope all the best for you.
Hey, Lolo Tony. I'm Leanne and Jojo's son. I just wanted to wish you a happy 84th birthday.
Hi, Lolo Tony. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Daddy. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa apo mo. Ingatan mo sa sarili mo. Ingat kayo palagi.
Sana bigyan ka pa po ni Lord ng mas marami pang kaarawan at mas malakas pang pangangatawan. We love you and we miss you.
Bye.
Hello, Tom. So, sana nakikilala niyo ako. Ako si Mikay. And I'm sorry po kung hindi po kita mag-greet in person, face to face, and hindi po ako makaselebrate ang birthday niyo po with you. So, here I am, greeting you in a video. Happy birthday, Lolo! And nagpapasalamat po ako na you are living well, healthy, happy, I hope. So, please, sana magpatuloy po kung live healthy, happy, and okay lang naman po ako dito, so don't worry. And yun, be careful sa pag-bike.
Birthday, Lolo. Stay healthy and nandito lang kami palagi para sa'yo. Thank you for everything. I love you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Happy birthday, Lola Tony! Malaki na ba yan? Bye! Happy birthday!
We go.
Hi everybody in the Philippines. My name is Koda. I love you.
Yay! Say happy birthday, Lolo Tony.
Happy birthday po, Lolo Tony. Enjoy your birthday po.
Happy birthday, Lolo Tons.
Happy birthday, Lolo Tony. Sana po magkaroon po kayo ng maraming birthday. Mag-ingat po sa pagbabay.
Happy birthday, Lolo Tony. Happy birthday, Lolo Tony. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lolo Tony.
Happy birthday pa, Lolo. We love you.
We love you sa pagbabay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.